nobles and guests. My name is Edmund Lim, and I have the pleasure to serve as the installing officer this evening for the installation of the Saya Daiban for the ensuing shrine year. Illustrious Sir Richard Martello, past potentate, and illustrious Sir John Bermudez have been selected to act as the installing marshals. And illustrious Sir Ron Erickson will be the installing chaplain. They'll be installing marshals. Arrange the officers elected, appointed for installation.
There's nobody here, John. Illustrious installing officer, the officers are elected or appointed to serve, who have been elected or appointed to serve as Saya Shriners for the ensuing shrine year, are without and are prepared for installation.
Noble installing marshal, you will retire and conduct into the shrine room the Saya Shriners officers elected and appointed for installation into this for the ensuing shrine year.
Shrine shuffle.
Hold hands.
Your steps are so much shorter, John.
Everybody's falling into it. They rehearse every night. Great.
No one.
You still can't get it straight.
Illustrious installing officer, I have the pleasure to present these Daiban officers who have been elected or appointed to serve